As my third place that is meaningful to me would be Kyoto, that is located in Japan. Kyoto was once the capital city of Japan, and now it is the capital of Kyoto Prefecture. The city was one of the oldest and most famous Asian metropolises. It has many temples and sightseeing areas and shopping districts, as you will see those photos throughout the video. This place is meaningful to me because it was my last trip with my father. My father was able to make one of my dreams come true by taking me to Japan for the very first time. Even though it was a short 1-week trip, I had fun and enjoyed my experiences there. Kyoto was very different from Canada and Taiwan in culture and how the city was structured in a mixture of traditional and modern buildings. This relates in how tourists will appreciate the built cultural heritage as a testimony to the distinctive history of the place and as a marker of its inhabitants' own culture, which they actually consume by being in the place. Hoffman, in 1992, suggested that the sense of place was dual in nature, involving both an interpretive perspective on the environment and an emotional reaction to the environment. I was able to interact with the environment as a tourist when I explored the area by going to visit temples and learning the Japanese culture. Completely different from Canada because of how the country is small, so it maximizes the use of space. They also have many ways to pray for health, family, school, or work, and relationship with others. This includes writing on a wooden plaque called ima to grant people's wish when they hang it on the shrine. Another one is how people drink what Japanese believed as holy water that will bring good fortunes. Kyoto connected to me by the memories of my father and how I enjoy the city with my siblings. We were able to experience the culture that this city had to offer. This indicates how place attachment is described as a positive emotional bond that develops between groups or individuals and their environment, as mentioned by Williams and et al. In 1992. Perspective on place have gone from physical determinism, where the environment, dimensions, colors, and shapes were seen as having direct effects on behavior, to a view of the people-environment relationship as dynamic and interactive, as suggested by Lebengard 2007. As dynamic and interactive perspective on the environment includes the social, cultural, and physiological meanings of a place, which can also expressed in a philosophical and poetic form. During my trip to Kyoto, I had gained cultural perspective on what it is like living in Japan through eating Japanese cuisine and living in a Japanese house instead of a hotel, because it is more authentic than seeing how it is on TV. For the rest of the video, you will see one of the many tourist activities done in Nara, where deers were able to walk freely within the temple and people were able to buy cookies to feed them.